What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benny. Shit, we got the bike in the back, still with the Cactus Jack on the front. Today I'm finna get this thing washed up from the shoot that I did a couple weeks ago. Not a couple weeks ago, about 2 months ago in November, that I did for Travis Scott and Nike. I still ain't rolled this thing. This thing's still dirty. Still got the Cactus Jack logo on it. Still got dirt from the desert. Yeah, I'm finna wash this bike and y'all stay tuned.
In Houston, I'm fucking that bitch in the woodland. Street smart, I got hoods in the BM, don't tell him I'm moving. Fuck nigga, that's that OJ. Who done got this nigga cooking? I think that I'm finna lose it. No money on me, it's cool. Lil J's been coolin'. Bad bitch, he been fooling around. Cujo pull up, then he gunning them down. Lame niggas be talking. My Molly wanna dry lockin'. My Molly wanna dry lockin'. My Molly wanna dry lockin'. On Greenway, I was walking. She wanna fuck, I'm like, Bust around, chopper, bust a little bus. Dirty mouth, chopper, cuss a little cut. In that dirty sound, nigga, please don't get touched. Lagland, was on it, but I went lacking. Money on me, get that bag in. Trapping, I'm on the road to greatness. Pussy nigga, why you flagging? Chopper doing nigga heinous. In Houston, I'm fucking that bitch in the woodland. Street smart, I got hoods in the BM, don't tell him I'm moving. Fuck nigga, that's that OJ. Who done got this nigga cooking? I think that I'm finna lose it. No money on me, it's cool. Lil J's been coolin'. Bad bitch, he been fooling around. Cujo pull up, then he gunning them down. Lame niggas be talking. My Molly wanna dry lockin'.
All clean, thing still thumping hard, sounding good. Ready for MLK in LA 2025? Sheesh. Alright, y'all. If y'all like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I was gonna go ride the bike to test it out after the oil change and clean, but it was too windy outside and I can't wheelie while it's windy, so I'm gonna probably catch y'all either Monday or Tuesday and I'm gonna make a little video at the lot. And I'm gonna catch y'all at MLK on Sunday, January 19th. So y'all stay tuned and subscribe.